Hi everyone, we will talk about how to fix your problem or this is problem on your snapshot. We will just click here on settings. Then we come here to this is window like you say, and we will go down. We will click here on apps. Then we come here to apps window here or next window, and we will just go down here to looking for snapshots here and this is window, and we will go down here to found snapshot, and we will click here on snapshot. Then we come to next window here, or this is window that show for us, and you will click here on for stop, and you will click here on OK, and we will just click here on storage. Then we come to storage window. We will click here on clear cache. Then we will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.